Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about something a little bit different, still beauty related, but today is going to be how I whiten my teeth at home. I got an email from a company called Smile Brilliant. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. So just so you guys know, this video is sponsored, but all opinions are my own, of course. I was actually looking to whiten my teeth myself before they emailed me, so it was a perfect opportunity for me to try something new because I have tried other whitening products. I've tried Crest whitening strips, I believe those are called, and I've also tried some whitening product from my orthodontist that I got after I had finished with my braces, and neither of those products really worked for me. I feel like the Crest strips made my teeth very sensitive, and I have sensitive teeth already, so it didn't do very much for me, and because they aren't fitted to your teeth like the Smile Brilliant is, they just didn't hit every spot on my teeth either, so it was kind of not the best whitening for me, at least. I just haven't really had good luck with teeth whitening, and I had actually considered going to a dentist to get my teeth whitened before I tried this, and now I love this system and I won't go back. And just so you guys know a little bit about my teeth history, I have had braces before. I've also have had a bionator. I always get told that I have nice teeth by dentists, and I have always brushed twice a day, and that's why I keep good hygiene, is I always brush and I try to floss whenever I remember. So yeah, I naturally have fairly white teeth, but I just wanted a little extra boost just to have a really nice white smile, and Smile Brilliant has given me that, and it makes me so extremely happy. So this is how the kit arrives. You get a nice little box. You get 3 desensitizing gels, 3 whitening gel syringes, 3 white pastes, 3 blue pastes, and 2 impression trays. You will also get a pink envelope with the information to send back to the company. They make it so easy, you don't really have to do anything at all. You pretty much just take your impressions, send it back, and then they send you your personalized trays that you will whiten your teeth with. And I will show you guys how to make those trays right now. So all you want to do is follow the instructions that it comes with. You take a blue paste, a white paste, and mix them together for about 1 minute total until it is a solid light blue color. And then you're just going to stick it in the tray, and I will show you guys as soon as I get to that point. So once you have this solid blue color, you're going to just take your impression tray and just gently put this in the shape of the impression tray without pressing down, and then you're just going to stick it in your mouth for about 2 minutes until it hardens. Just going to take your impression tray and keep it in your mouth for about 2 minutes until it hardens. So this is what it should look like when you are done. And lastly, before you can get your impressions, all you have to do is mail the blue impressions back to Smile Brilliant. Smile Brilliant. So you just stick your impressions in the little white package and make sure that you guys fill out the return card that has all the information they need on it, and put that in with your package, send it back to them, and about a week later you will get your clear impression trays. So this is what the impression trays look like, and these are so easy to do. So all you have to do is take the teeth whitening gel and apply a very thin layer on the outer rim of the impression tray, so pretty much where the front of your teeth are. So I would just take it and apply it here, and you don't need very much really at all. You just need like a little strip, if you guys can see that. And then you're just going to stick it in your mouth. And the same with the bottom as well, and then you just leave them in for 45 to 3 hours. I think maybe like 2.5. I believe I left mine in for a minimum of 1 hour, maximum of 2 hours every time that I did this for about 2 weeks. I didn't keep up on it every single day like I should have, because I honestly am forgetful, but yeah, the more you do it, the whiter your teeth get faster. So as soon as you have left the whitening gel in for 1 to 3 hours, you will take out the trays and rinse them out, of course, so they're clean, and you can also brush your teeth with water. And then you're just going to do the same exact thing with the desensitizing gel, and what this does is it helps any sensitivity that you may have have experienced during the whitening process, and this helped me so much because my teeth are quite sensitive, and as soon as I put this in, it was just like relief. The whitening gel didn't really cause much sensitivity, but the sensitivity that it did cause, this helped so much. And this also replenishes any vitamins and minerals that you have lost during the whitening process. So this is a very important step, and you just leave this in for about 15 to 20 minutes after you have done the whitening gel. A really good time to do this is before you go to bed. I tend to leave it in while I'm at work, and that way I just don't think about it, and I just set my timer on my phone to make sure I don't leave it in too long. So the great thing about this is that you can do it anywhere, anytime you want. You just have to have your impressions and your gel, and you're good to go. Throw them in for 1 to 3 hours. Take them out and do the desensitizing gel. So the great thing about this kit is it doesn't take very long to do every day. You really don't have to think about it at all. It's like the easiest kit I have used, and it's just efficient. It works. I mean, obviously you guys can tell my teeth are white, so it works. I will actually insert my before and after photos right here. And just so you guys are aware, this kit does retail for $139, which is a great price for teeth whitening because it is hundreds and hundreds of dollars to go to a dentist and have them whitened, when you could just do it in the comfort of your own home for $139, which I think is a really great price because you'll pay about half that for whitening strips that don't work at the store. So I highly recommend this kit. It's totally worth the money. It's a great system. I'm so thankful to Smile Brilliant for giving me this opportunity. I'm so happy I could work with you guys. I really hope that you guys get an opportunity to try their system. You guys will absolutely love it once you try it. I will continue to use it as long as I want white teeth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this informational and helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!